stop. If you're thinking about buying MotionFlow Web Builder, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims it can build complete cinematic websites with scroll animations, parallax effects, 3D layers, video backgrounds, AI copywriting, and even visual storytelling in just a few clicks. No coding, no designers, no animation skills, no expensive monthly subscriptions. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? So today, I'm going to show you exactly what MotionFlow Web Builder is, what's inside, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. And also, exclusive bonuses worth over $500 that you'll get free if you decide to grab MotionFlow Web Builder through my link. Let's get started. What is MotionFlow Web Builder? MotionFlow Web Builder is a cloud-based AI website creation platform. But unlike traditional website builders that create static pages, MotionFlow focuses on creating cinematic, immersive websites with advanced animations, motion effects, parallax scrolling, visual storytelling, and conversion-focused layouts. The goal is simple: make websites look premium without needing premium skills. Benefits. Why people are interested. First, most websites today look exactly the same. Second, professional animated websites often cost thousands of dollars to build. Third, businesses are willing to pay premium prices for websites that look modern and engaging. Fourth, the software includes commercial rights, meaning you can potentially build websites for clients and keep the profits. And finally, it supports over 20 languages, making it possible to target global markets. Inside MotionFlow Web Builder, you'll get AI, Cinematic Site Builder, 50+ niche website templates, Scroll Animation Engine, Parallax Effect Generator, AI Visual Storytelling System, Cinematic Video Background, Builder, Particle and AMP, 3D Layer Effects, AI Copywriting Engine, AI Image Generator, Multi-Language Website Builder, Conversion CTA System, E-commerce and Funnel Builder, Brand Identity Generator, A/B Split Testing, Analytics Dashboard, Multi-Site Management, and Commercial License included. Everything runs in the cloud and requires zero coding knowledge. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros. Beginner-friendly. No coding required. Commercial rights included. Cinematic website focus. Multi-language support. AI copywriting built-in, and potential client service opportunity. Cons. Results depend on customization. AI-generated designs may still require tweaks. Not every business needs advanced animations, and website success still depends on traffic and marketing. Results. What to expect. If you're expecting MotionFlow to instantly generate clients and sales overnight, that's probably not going to happen. However, if you're a freelancer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, coach, consultant, or entrepreneur, MotionFlow could dramatically reduce the time needed to create professional-looking websites. The biggest advantage appears to be speed. Instead of spending days or weeks building websites manually, you can potentially create polished websites much faster. When you get MotionFlow Web Builder through my link today, you'll also unlock these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, AI Website. Client Acquisition Blueprint. Value, $297. Discover how to find website clients, close more deals, and build a profitable web design side business using AI tools. Bonus 2, High Converting Funnel and Landing Page. Masterclass. Value, $297. Learn proven strategies for creating landing pages, funnels, and website structures that convert visitors into leads and buyers. Total bonus value, $594+, and you get both bonuses. Free when you grab MotionFlow Web Builder through my link below. So, is MotionFlow Web Builder worth it? If you're looking for a faster way to create professional websites, want cinematic style designs without coding, need AI-generated copy and visuals, or want to offer website creation services to clients, then MotionFlow Web Builder is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's a website building tool, not a magic business button. And if you want MotionFlow Web Builder, plus my exclusive bonuses, Click the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.